Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all the likes, subscription and comments on my video on how to do your eyebrows. So today I'm going to show you how to thread your upper lip. To see the starting of the process, I would recommend watching my video on how to thread your eyebrows. It is the same process, just the way we do it is a little bit different. So just take a regular thread. I got this thread off Amazon. It's just a regular cotton thread, and then you take a pair of scissors. Now take about 16 inches of the thread and just cut it right there and make a knot just like that, and then your final product will look like this. Now, as I described in my previous videos, make a twist. To see a detailed way of doing it, just watch the previous video and then try to open and close. Now as you can see, I have a lot of upper lip hairs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start from this corner right here. To start at the corner, I'm gonna use my tongue to poke my lip over here so that the skin gets tighter. Let me warn you, it's gonna hurt, but it's gonna be worth it. So let's begin. Now once you're done with the corner part, fold your lips and do the middle section. Now once you're done with the middle section, repeat the same process on the corner of the lip on this side. Now see, I'm done with my upper lip. Okay, I hope you like my video. Please comment, like and subscribe. Thank you.